go. 202. 202 is a bit messy because we are on the way out. Double twin memory foam mattresses, really comfy pillows, and the monstrous size, huge. Not that you need it, you've got a radiator. And a mini fridge. TV, presume it works, didn't use it. Aircon works really well. Bathroom, nice big shower, it takes a while to warm up, but plenty of pressure. You did get a couple of soaps, hair dryer, plenty of storage, extra blankets if you need. And a safe. And then a little balcony. Clothes dryer. Yeah, there's the entrance. So that's it. That's a double.